Neha ji was on fire. Like something had entered her spirit, and the way she has danced phenomenally well, and her piece with Omkar, the duet was absolutely mind blowing. I'm so happy to be here this evening and to experience her performance today.
I'm really very happy to be here and experience this wonderful performance by Neha. This is the second time I'm seeing, and second time is like the first time I thought, wow, and this is like I became a speechless. So amazing performance.
I have known Neha for almost 10 years and I have seen her growth as a dancer. Today she was brilliant. Fantastic is the word for her. From the time she's begun to now, it's been a great journey for this wonderful dancer and a wonderful person. She has followed her passion completely from day one. Be it her first dancing class that she took so many years back, to so many other shows that she made till today. The passion and fire that she has is incredible. कहते हैं ना एक ही साधे सब सधे सब साधे सधी जाए. एक बार आप किसी को फॉलो करते हैं पैशन को, आपके सारे दरवाजे खुल जाते हैं. She only wanted to do a show like this, and I'm so glad she could do it only because of her passion. I wish her all the very best.
I believe all of you must have performed live at least once. In your career, and there's a difference sometimes between acting on screen and acting live. And dancing for an hour and a half sometimes is so difficult to have that energy consistent throughout for the whole show. If you could elaborate how difficult sometimes it gets to keep the energy or the momentum up the speed always.
The stamina that is required, even before the performance, the rehearsals that you do, the number of hours of practice that you're given, that also is very, very important to come to a point where you can perform for so long on stage. And there's no retake on stage. So what you do is what you see, and what the audience will either love you or hate you. And we as audiences, I think we've just loved her because it showed, her hard work showed, her dedication showed, her whole focus was just there. And to perform solo like this for so long, I said she's on fire. Wish her all the very best.
And as a dancer, I can just tell one thing is when we come on the stage, we forget everything. And we don't know from where the strength within us just comes out, and we have that stamina, strength, and we forget whoever is in the front, and we just enjoy doing what we love to
That's
do.
why dancing is sadhana. It's a form of meditation.
I believe it's the blessing of our elders, of our gurus that takes us where we are standing on stage. Because that's what gives us the confidence. Of course, rehearsal and all that will make you to reach that level of energy. But it is the blessing which we count, the prayers that we do before we step on stage, which gives us that confidence to stand there for how many hours and do our performance to best of our ability. It's only because of the Ashirvad which is most important in life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Learning with me since many years, and I appreciate her quality of determination. And see, our classical Indian dance traditions, they are multi-layered and multi-textured, and they have sustained thousands of years. It's not easy, and it is just because of the presence of the strong qualities like devotion, determination, and sadhana, and that is why they sustain. And I'm very happy that Neha is moving on this path with all, just taking it forward, and I wish Neha all the very best for all her future endeavors.
How's your experience inside? With what expectations did you go inside, and towards the end of it, how did you feel?
I think it was my first time watching the artist Neha Banerjee perform, and I obviously had come up with a lot of expectations, and more exceeds expectations situation happening here. I think Purnamidam is a absolute beautiful mix of the strength of Kathak as well as the grace of Kathak, the form of storytelling. I think exceptional set of accompaniment by her side, and that shows together as a team. When you have a beautiful concept backed by a beautiful set of accompaniment, it brings forth the essence of the art form and the idea that the artist comes forth with. So to see Neha perform was definitely a charm, and we hope for more and more people to come and watch this show time and again.
Yeah, ma'am, how was your experience performing in front of a live audience like you've done before multiple times? But Purnamidam is something that has come in Mumbai, the first time after quite a long time. How was your experience?
First of all, performing in NCPA experimental theatre here is every artist's dream. So, although I've got this opportunity a number of times, but this time this show Purnamidam was very close to my heart because I am performing here after a very, very long time, like after 7 to 8 years. So, yes, it was very important for me to reconnect with my fellow dancers, my gurus, my counterparts. Everybody came, they took out their time and they appreciated it. So, the experience is very, very nice. And of course, the management over here is so supportive and so disciplined, which brings the class into the each performance, and that automatically shows in the productions which we come up with here, because they are so disciplined. Our production comes out quite disciplined. That's very important.
Do you think there's a lot of scope for Kathak as a dance form to even grow and gain a lot of popularity as it was done in the past, but it is growing at a good speed? Having these kind of acts and events where people attend raises awareness about our Indian culture and a dance form. Your take on the growth of this dance form, growing it even further in India?
Kathak has always been the favorite of masses and classes, of course. And now, yes, of course, with the changing times, it has gone through a lot of changes. But, the craft is such that it is able to retain its old and aesthetics of dance. So this will be there forever. It was always there. It will remain forever. So as my topic goes, Purnamidam, it's like the Shankar, the Adi Anadi. So it is there. It is going to remain even after the world. The dance, the Nad is going to be there.
For ma'am, what was your prep time for this? How much time did it take to build this from scratch till the end? And the number of people involved, how was the whole process of going through all of this and then seeing all this come together live is a different feeling altogether when you've done it. So take us through that experience.
So if you ask me how much time I have taken to prepare this, whatever I dance today, I have tried to bring out all the talim which I have taken over the period of 30, more than 30 years. And yes, that is the timeline which I have taken to prepare. But this as a whole, as a production, as a concept, our team has been preparing this for last 3 to 4 months. The concept was very much there in our minds, and to bring out this matra, 14, 15 and 16, 14, 15 and 16 matra together, and on these जो बोलते हैं हाँ जो chimes, to bring it on chimes with the theka. It took a lot of preparation because all the tals are quite intrinsic tals, and it took us a lot of time, but we had a lot of fun. It was a lot of learning for all of us together as a team. Every time we think of something new, we learn again and again. So that was amazing for all of us.
If you could, last question, if you could describe this whole event in one line, what would you?
Purnamidam is actually Purnamidam. It's a complete circle of my talim, as I told you. Whatever I have danced, I've danced what I started with as a student, and I've danced now which I have composed myself as a teacher. So it's again a circle of my journey. So it's a Purnamidam.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Ma'am, if you could describe the experience that you had inside.
मेरी गुरु बहन है, तो मैं तो बहुत 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 ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. और जिस तरह से नेहा ने एक जर्नी दिखाई है कथक की, पूर्णमिदम यानी संपूर्णता की ओर हम जा रहे हैं और कथक के सारे एलिमेंट्स को वो छूती हुई गई है। शिव को भी हम उसी नज़रिए से देखते हैं, पूर्णत्व की तरफ। तो मुझे तो बेहद 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 खुशी है और मैं उसको बहुत बहुत प्यार और बहुत मुबारकबाद देती हूँ। बहुत सुंदर नाची आज।